Here I have ZYREX ZA987. Let me show you how to app cache partition on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start here by pressing the power key. From the following options, let's choose here power off and tap OK to confirm it. Let's wait until your device will be completely switched off, and then you need to use the following combination of keys, power key and volume up. Let's hold down together those two keys, power key and volume up. Keep holding both keys, and you have to release both keys as soon as boot mode pops up. So now you can navigate here by using volume up and confirm options by pressing volume down. Let's choose here recovery, press volume down to confirm it, and wait a few seconds until you will be able to use the Android system recovery. The no command picture pops up, so now it means that you have to start holding power key once to activate the Android system recovery, and here you can navigate by using volume down and confirm options by pressing volume up. Let's scroll down, and here let's highlight wipe cache partition, press volume up to confirm it, and the device will in cache files. And as soon as Android system recovery pops up, let's press volume up to reboot system now. As you can see, the Android is restarting and booting into a normal mode, so you have to wait a few seconds. That's it, the home screen pops up, so now you can start using your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up under the video.